Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will solve the problem A from the biweekly contest 119. So the problem is find common elements between two arrays. So this problem is pretty straightforward. If you are very new to DSA or if you are new to the competitive programming world, then you face this problem, like you will face bit difficulties to solve this problem. But if you are like intermediate level, then you can easily solve it. And I recommend you, like if you know any of the languages, you can go and you can solve it. Right. So if you couldn't able to solve, then you can come and watch. You are given a two zero indexed integers nums1 and nums2 of sizes n and m respectively. So we need to consider the calculating the following rules, saying that the number of j such that nums of j occurs at least once in nums of 2, and number of indices of j such that nums of 2 of j occurs at nums of 1. Is saying that now if I taking 4, in nums of 2 4 is existed or not, we'll check. It is not exist, it's not exist, so we will not increment. 3, yes, we have 3, so we have taken 3. Then 2, yes, we have 2. Then 1, yes, we have 1, so we are taking as count 3. And in the same thing nums2, we are checking in nums1 whether this whether is whether this elements are exist in this. And we can see like 2 is existed one time and this 2 is existed 2 times, and in this way we will check, right? So it's pretty straightforward. We are taking vector 1 and vector 2 and we are taking answer. Answer is like we are returning the vector, so it is taking answer. We will iterate I to v1 and j to v2, and if both are equal we will increment the count and we will break from the loop if my element is present in this, and we will push back c into our answer. Then we will initialize c to 0 and we will perform same operations for v2. So my space complexity would be order of n square. You can reduce it, like if you go further. Now you are in intermediate level. Now if you go to the next level, you will get to know about C++ STLs or Java collections, where you can find map and set. Using map and set, if you insert the values in set or if you insert the values in map, you can search in order of log n time. So this thing I can do in log n time. So my overall time complexity would be n into log n. So you can watch, you can see other solutions, so that you can solve using map or set. And thank you for watching. If you like the solution, please do like and subscribe, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.